my name is Jacqueline Lam. I'm a physiotherapist and a fellow of the Canadian Academy of Manipulative Physiotherapy. I'm also a PhD candidate and a teacher at the University of Montreal. As a CAMPT-Certified physiotherapist, I believe we must always apply the most cutting-edge research to have the best results possible. For that reason, I'm currently researching a conservative program to improve obstructive sleep apnea signs and symptoms. How can a physiotherapist help with sleep disorder? Well, obstructive sleep apnea, or commonly known as OSA, is a condition in which a third of the population has weakness of their muscles of their airway, including their tongue, jaw, and throat muscles. It causes the airways to close at night and not let breathing happen during sleep, which causes fatigue with activities of daily living. For that reason, I'm developing instruments to measure and improve the strength and endurance of those muscles. Here's a good exercise to help increase your tongue strength and airway opening. Stick out your tongue as far as you can without touching your teeth and point it forward, like so. Perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions 3 times per day. But before even strengthening that area, sleep positioning is also important to consider. You might be surprised, but as physiotherapists, we educate about posture while awake and while sleeping. For OSA, it is recommended to sleep on your sides to avoid sleeping on your back. Furthermore, to promote a better posture while sleeping on your side, your pillow should be as thick as your ear to your shoulder so you can maintain a neutral spine. Like this. This prevents your arm from going under the pillow. If you experience OSA or sleep positioning issues, I'd be happy to help. You can contact me at physiojlam@gmail.com.
CAMPT-certified physiotherapists have received internationally recognized training in hands-on therapy. We can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier. So if you want to stay active in the things you love to do, then look for this logo. For more information on how to find a CAMPT-certified physiotherapist, visit www.minutpt.org.